Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 68 Camaro and she is sharp. And there's a 396 under the hood and it's got a 4-speed too, guys. Look at that. Ice cube trays up on the hood. This paint is phenomenal, man. It is just beautiful. I love the color. It's almost, it's like a red maroon, man. It is beautiful. I love it. We got great looking grill here. You can see all the trim here looks good. The chrome on the front bumper's looking sweet. She's gorgeous. That body line going up the hood's nice and straight. And then when you look down the side of it, man, look at the stance on it too, man. Nothing's better than a Camaro with the ass end sitting up a little bit, man. She looks great. That door gap also looking sweet, nice and even. That black interior with the houndstooth looking good. And there's that 4-speed. Let me open up this door, show you the door panel. Door panel's looking good. We got the stock steering wheel there. Now the carpet does not look brand new. That may be the original carpeting, but it is in beautiful shape. See, it's got the seat belts in the front. That center console's looking good. The upholstery in the front and the back looks like it's new. The headliner's one piece, looking sweet. The dash itself, all nice and bright. The lenses on the gauges look good. The faces on the gauges look good. Then there's that Hurst shifter hooked up to that 4-speed Muncie underneath. Then look at this door jamb. You can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. It's got the door bumpers here. It's got new rubber. You can see these lips here where that skin is folded over and welded. Everything looks nice and stock. Moving this thing around. Look at that stance, man. You want to talk hot rod? This is a hot rod, man. She's got the right stance. All right, let's see if I can figure out how to get in the trunk here. You can see the floor in the trunk is beautiful. Real nice. You always want to look at the trunk floors on these cars because these leak. That rubber would get full of stuff there and wear out, and then the water would pour in there. Then of course it just stood in there. You can tell this car is in beautiful shape. Then even, you want to make sure you look at the lips just like you did on the door, on the trunk lid. You can see that all these bolts are brand new. Somebody spent some time doing this baby. When you look down the side there, looking sweet also. That passenger side's just as nice looking as the driver's side. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment. That means we own this Camaro, so you know we did our homework before we bought it. The first thing we do to every car when they get in here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can inspect them, take pictures, do our video, so we can show you exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. Now make sure you follow us on YouTube, hit that little bar right there, and hit that little bell right next to it so you can get a notification every time we get a cool car just like this one in. All right, let's take this beautiful Camaro for a ride. We got big block power. We got a 4-speed backing that up. Great looking car, driving awesome. And don't you forget, No matter where you live in the world, if you'd like us to deliver this car, we can deliver it anywhere. We've been doing it for a lot of years, guys. We can also help you out with financing. Just give Tom a call anytime. He'll walk you through the whole procedure, how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now we're gonna do here in a minute something that nobody else does to every one of their vehicles. Every vehicle at Vanguard goes up on the lift so we can show you exactly what the bottom looks like. I'm gonna show you all the spots that I look at when I'm buying one of these cars. She's driving awesome, sounds great. That big block is really making a beautiful sound coming out of those dual exhausts. Trans feels good. She's upshifting, downshifting good. Love the ice cube trays out there on the hood. As you can see down here on the dash, my tach's working, the speedo's working. Everything's nice and clear. We got a great looking set of 4-pack gauges right there in the center console. Looks like all those are working. Does look like it has a aftermarket radio in it also. Everybody you drive around, they crank their head around, let out a big old smile. Everybody loves them a Camaro. These first gens are just about as popular as can be right now. Now I'm just barely touching the accelerator and you hear that exhaust. Man, she sounds good. Now we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the net, but we do invite you to come on in and join us, check the car out in person. If you want to send an inspector, no problem with your inspector either. We'll treat the inspector just like we treat you. And the airport's close if you need to fly in. So stick with us. We're here at our main facility at 15100 Keel Street, and this is where we're going to put it up on the lift. All right, we're underneath this Camaro now, and man, it is pretty under here. You can see the gas tank's been all painted up. Looks like new straps here. We got a probably aluminum cover here. They've painted it black. It is a 12 bolt. Now the previous owner states it had a 373 gear in it, but I just rolled it over and counted, and I come up with 355, and it's right at 355, so I'm going with 355. It is a Posi. It's got this stainless exhaust on it that's all welded up, looking good. It's a pipe setup. Everything under here is looking nice and clean. You can see the floorboards have been all cleaned up and painted. It's got an X pipe in it here. I mean, just everything about the car is beautiful under here. You can see they even painted up the cross member. We do have a Muncie transmission. That's a 4-speed for you, those of you who don't know that. It's got stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage. Looks like I got some new tie rod ends here. We do have disc brakes up front, and it does have drum brakes in the back. One of the things we do here at Vanguard is the brakes all come apart. Make sure they're all in good working order and make sure they're installed correctly. I also always look at the front frame horns. Looks like I got some brand new bushings up here in the core support. We got brand new BFGs here. Looks like some brand new Cragars also. And if I could find the size, I'd tell you. There it is. 2 1560 15s. Now we'll work our way towards the back. There it is. 2 5560 15s out back. Again, brand new BFGs and brand new Cragars. All right, we're under the hood of this beautiful car, and I tell you what, it is nice, clean, and tidy under here. You see it's got a 396 big block Chevy in it. It's got an aluminum intake. That's a Performer intake. It's got a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. You can see the power brakes, the brand new brake lines, brand new proportioning valve. The headers are in great shape. Those are hooker headers. Looks like we got a brand new alternator here. I see what looks like new bushings here in the upper control arms. The aluminum radiator also is all polished up, looking new. We got chrome valve covers. We got a polished up AC pump there. Firewall is all nice and clean. She is gorgeous under the hood. I guarantee you, pop the hood of this at a car show, you're gonna draw a crowd, guys. Even the bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.